We'll be using a Philips pasta maker to make the fresh pasta. We'll be using the spaghetti disc. Unscrew the front panel and insert the disc. Make sure to line the gap in the disc with the pasta maker. Reattach the front panel securely. Next, open the lid and pour in 1 to 2 cups of flour depending on how much pasta you want. Finally, add your liquid. We'll be using 2 eggs and some water. Pour water to the marking on the cup. Mix the 2 ingredients well. Power on the pasta maker, choose automatic and press start. Slowly add in the egg mixture. Let the batter mix for a while. The pasta will automatically start to come out. Cut the pasta to your desired length. The pasta maker is very efficient as it extruded almost all of the dough from the unit. When all the pasta has been made, you can sprinkle it with flour or just leave it. The pasta maker is very easy to use and the entire process took less than 5 minutes. Loosen the pasta. Add a pinch of salt to a pot of boiling water, then add the pasta. For al dente pasta, boil for 4 minutes. Mix it around occasionally. Strain the now cooked pasta. Plate it. The pasta was fresh and perfectly cooked.